Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this model, we are going to discuss our fifth question. What is that is, for one electric pole, this is electric pole, for that one wire was tied with a length of 18 meter with angle of elevation at 30 degrees. As a long distance, they are moved to the some front, and what they are asking here is, so here how much they are cutted that wire. After that they are again tied for the electric pole with the angle of elevation 60 degrees. So what is their question here is, how much length of the wire was cutted. So how much length of the wire was cutted. So we have to find what is the BC here. What is the BC here? Let's going to consider length of the wire. So first one, length of the wire. Length of the wire. So actual length, what is that? BD will be equal to 18 meters. Then what is the angle of elevation here? So angle of elevation, angle D will be equal to 30 degrees at the first one. Then length of the wire, length of the wire after cut, what is that? Length of the wire, BC. So that will be equal to, we have to find it. Then what is the angle of elevation at the C? That is 60 degrees. So here it is making how much distance, this one they are given, what we need to find that, what is we need to find, that is BC. So how much length was cutted, after that we have to find it. So first one, let's going to take in this manner. So let's going to take this hypotenuse they are given and this opposite side. Let's going to consider triangle ABD, triangle ABD. In that ABD, so let's going to consider sine D. So this is the, let's going to take, this is theta 1 and this is theta 2. So what is the distance? So from this, if you take this one, so we have to find it. Length of the wire was cut. How much length was cut? So ABD, so sine theta 1 will be equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is the case, opposite side by hypotenuse. Length of the wire was cut. So here we need to write how much it was cutted. So hypotenuse, so sine theta 1, sine 30 degrees, opposite side for this AB by hypotenuse is what? BD. So sine 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be equal to, AB is equals to what? We don't know. Let's find, let's keep it as it is. BD is equals to 18 meters. So cross multiply. So you can cross multiply. So here 18 by 2 will be equal to, 18 by 2 will be equal to AB. So AB will be equal to 9 meters. AB will be equal to what? 9 meters. So this is 9 meters. What is the length of electric pole? So based on that information, we can calculate what is the length of BC. So same in triangle ABC. So what you can say here, sine theta 2. So opposite side is there and hypotenuse we don't know. So we have to find this one. So how much length was cutted means we have to find it. So ABC, so sine theta 2 will be equal to, opposite side for this is AB. Then hypotenuse will be equal to BC. So sine theta 2 means, sine theta 2 is 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees will be equal to, AB is equals to what? 9 by BC. So BC, sine 60 degrees. So 1 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 will be equal to 9 by BC. So let's go into cross multiply here. So root 3 BC will be equal to 9 into 2. Root 3 BC will be equal to 9 into, so BC will be equal to 9 into 2 whole divided by root 3. So we can do one thing here. So BC will be equal to, what is that? 9. So 9 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will going to cancel. Based on that we can get it. So what is this? What is this one? So what is the BC will be equal to 9 into 2 into root 3 by root 3 whole square. So square root will going to cancel. Then BC will be equal to 9 So 9 into 2 into root 3 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 threes are. Then BC will be equal to what? BC will be equal to 3 twos are 6 root 3. 6 root 3. So BC will be equal to 6 root 3. So let's find it 6 root 3. So what is the length of wire from the cut it? So this is the total length 18 meter and 6 root 3 came. How much length was cut it? So if you take subtraction, length of the wire was cut. So length of the wire was cut. So what is the length of the wire was cut means BD minus BC. BD minus BC. So what is the BD here? It is that 18. So BD will be equal to 18 meters. Then BC will be equal to what? BC will be 6 root 3. So what value we will get it here? So let's going to find it. 18 minus 6 root 3. So let's going to take common of 6 outside. So 6 threes are. So 18 6 root 3. So 6 into 3 minus 1.732. So what is this value? 1.732. So 6 into 1.732 is nothing but what? So 3.000 1.732 8 9 minus 6 again 2.1 1.268 1.268. So let's go into multiply 48, then 6 6 are 36, 44 will be again 6 2s are 12, 16, 1 will be 6 1s are 6 plus 7 point. So here 7.608 meters. 7.608 meters. So this is the answer. So what is the length was cut it? So this is the answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.